Lithosphere is published by Geoscience World and is your publishing partner for open research across the geosciences.
Picking an effective journal for your next paper is very important because this ensures that your research stands out. Many papers get published every year, about 2 million per year, 30,000 approximately in the geosciences, physical sciences, natural sciences. Each month, you need to make sure that your paper stands out from all of the others. And one good way to do that, of course, is potentially selecting a journal that everybody can access that has a decent impact factor. A journal like Lithosphere, 2.4 rising to 3. It's a journal that will ensure that your research gets seen by a large amount of people in your field. So, why do this before starting to write? And we always recommend that it's a great idea to have a journal in mind before you begin the writing process, because that helps you with the structure. That helps you understand what goes into the different sections of your article, how much text to put into the introduction, the methods, the results, the discussion, what goes where in the different parts of the paper. Very common questions that researchers ask us all of the time can be dealt with if you pick a journal at the start of the process. Reasons to do this can also include that you can learn about that journal's aims and scope, their readership, disciplines and topics, the types of articles that they publish, and you'll know their guidelines. Perhaps you're not so keen on double-blind peer review. Perhaps you prefer single-blind peer review, the formatting, the word limits, the copyrights. What kind of English are you expected to use?